How are you doing? I hope everybody's been well, considering the pandemic. Now, today, welcome to my show. We have one great unboxing to do. And talking about unboxing, we are going to unbox this heavy box. It's called the Panasonic NB-H3801K electric oven. Black. How would they call it black? I wonder. Okay, let's go ahead and open the box. Let's open the box. Before we open the box, let's see what it says on the side of the box. It's very heavy. Oh, where is it? There. Okay. This is Panasonic NH so blah blah blah. As I've said, electric oven. The capacity is 38 liters. A gigantic whooping 38 liters. Power consumption is not very big. It's 1500 watts. Optimum cooking at home. Now, it can do pizza, roast chicken, tandoori chicken, grilled prawn, oven fries, cookies, apple tart, sponge cake. Wow, I cannot see anything like eba or amala or akara here or even gbegiri. Okay, it says double layer insulated glass door. That's very intuitive. 360-degree rotation for speed roasting and for even heat distribution. Multiple functions. That means you can separate the temperature of the upper deck and the lower deck. That's very, very smart. The interior lamp is heat resistant. That means no matter what temperature it is, the lamp will not be damaged. That's what it means. So it's easy to monitor your cooking status. Wide range time selections. It's got 120 minutes timer. For those who don't know, that's 2 hours. Continuous heating for baking. So you don't have to time it. You just cook or heat or bake continuously without timing. Now, there are some accessories which are included in it. Enamel baking tray. I have a free baking tray. A cooking rack. Okay, if you don't have a rack, I wonder what they expect you to use. Okay. Crumb tray. That's where all your crumbs are going to fall into, which is removable. A baking tray holder. Oh, is that supposed to be a plus? How can you bake without a baking tray holder? Okay. Extraction bracket. I have no idea what that is. And rotisserie spit. Okay. Having done that, we're not going to go ahead and open the box. Okay. Oh, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Oh, there's a plastic here. Oh, this must be the crumb thing. The same where your crumbs fall into. Okay, there's already some plastic here, which is going to go into the ocean somewhere and kill all the fishes. That is the I don't know, tray holder or something like that. Okay, let's put that apart. That is the holder to hold the tray thing when it's hot. You see? You hold it like that so it doesn't burn your hand. The holder comes with it. The Holy Bible of Panasonic manual. You have to read it from A to Z. Otherwise, you'll not be able to use this thing. And the tray. Oh, the tray is even black. I'm surprised. It looks very very sturdy, very elegant as well. And then we have this styrofoam stuff. There's some screw here. I don't know what is going to screw into what or who is screwing what. I will just leave it there. And then, there's a metal rod here. I don't know what this rod is for, but we shall find out at some point. And then we have more styrofoam to go into the ocean to go and kill the aquatic lives. And just because we are in Australia, so it comes with an Australian type plug, okay? So you don't have to bother yourself. And more plastic bags to go into the Atlantic Ocean or the Indian Ocean, whatever ocean it is. And then we have the main event. Drum rolls. Ooh, okay. Anything inside? Oh. Inside the styrofoam, it's just another kind of holder. Looks like a, okay, let's leave it apart. And that's all we have in the box. See, it's empty. I'm not joking. It's totally empty. Alright? Okay. Now, this is the main event. Alright. Oh, it comes with these blue tapes which you have to take off. You can't open them if you don't take them off anyway. So we're going to take that off. Take that off. And take that. Take that. Take it off. Take that off. Oh my God, it looks beautiful. Wow. Panasonic has done a very good job with this. The aesthetics. It's really beautiful. I love it. And it's black too. Just a couple of notices here. Caution. Hot surface. And do not touch the body and door during baking. Oh! How are you supposed to open the door then? Okay. Do not place anything on the body. Do not place anything on the door when it is opened. Okay. If the food ignites, do not open the door. Call fire brigade. Turn off the power and unplug immediately. Okay. All right. So we're going to go ahead. Now, we're not going to open it yet. The first dial on top is the upper temperature. The upper, because the compartments is going to be divided into two. We have the upper deck and the lower deck. Just like in the A380 Airbus. We have the upper deck and the lower deck. And then we have the first class and business class. Okay. So we have the upper temperature control, which ranges from 0 to 230 degrees. That's a lot of degrees. Okay. Okay. And then the second control is the function of the upper deck. So we've got the lower shelf heating, the upper heating, both of them heating, and then the fan, and then we have the fermentation function in case you want to do some fermentation like brewing some wine or some palm wine or alcohol or whatever. And then we have the lower two dials doing the same thing but for the lower deck. Okay. Then we have the power indicator, which is red light here when it's turned on. Okay. They have given you some guidance here at the door. Pizza is only for 15 minutes at 210 degrees. Roast chicken is for 80 minutes at 230 degrees. Tandoori chicken, for my Indian friends, 25 minutes at 230 degrees. Grilled prawn, 10 minutes for 190 degrees. I know some very, very good people who are allergic to prawns. Open fries at 30 minutes for 230 degrees on the upper deck, and the lower deck is 150 degrees. Cookies, 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Centigrade. Apple tart, 45 minutes at 190 degrees, and sponge cake at 30 minutes, 170 degrees. Okay. Okay, let's open it now and see what it looks like. Okay. I must say it looks very sturdy in the hand. Good finishing touches. Good one, Panasonic. You've done well. I'm impressed. And when I'm impressed, that means it's good. Okay, so we have the rack here. This is where the tray goes. Where's that tray again? I'm not going to arrange that. That's going to cost me a lot of time. And also we have the light in there. I'm not sure if you can see. That's the light here. The heat resistant bulb, which means you can see whatever you are cooking from the outside through the glass, and the light will not be broken because of heat. It's heat resistant. And it smells new. Smells very new. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to put this thing to use, and let's see what's underneath. A lot of vents to keep the air going in and out. It's got a lot of vents on this side as well. See, the whole side is full of vents. And just follow all the precautions. Do not electrocute yourself, and do not burn the house down. And while on this, I want to wish you all a happy baking. Go ahead, try something to bake this weekend. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.